Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about how to get more subscribers on Substack. If you're ready, please go ahead and hit that like button and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's get started. Getting more subscribers on Substack is more easily said than done. You can increase your Substack subscriber count in a number of different ways, but some methods are more impactful than others. A good newsletter list on Substack can lead to more sales, leads, and traffic to your other content. It's an actively changing platform that wants to see its creators thrive and take steps to help. So first, let's talk about what is Substack. Substack is a newsletter platform that has quickly gained popularity over the last few years. It now offers newsletters, podcasts, and a paywall for creators to publish content for paying members. It was established in 2017 and has since gained traction as one of the premier newsletter providers in the world. Next, how to get more subscribers on Substack. There are several ways to get more subscribers on Substack. The best method to grow your subscriber count is to simply promote your content in several different online spaces and social channels. However, these days, it takes a little more effort and creative thinking to truly grow your Substack newsletter. Use these proven tips to significantly increase your subscriber count on Substack. Number 1. Promote your Substack newsletter online. The goal here is just to make sure you cover your basics. Increasing your subscriber count on Substack means hitting every possible method, even the most basic ones. Number 2. Get other creators to recommend your Substack newsletter. Reach out to other Substack creators and ask them if they can recommend your newsletter, or you can swap recommendations for each other. Just make sure those creators are in similar niche as your newsletter, or it won't make sense, and the subscriber you get won't stay. Moving on to number 3. Keep your Substack newsletter free. The truth is, people like free stuff. The idea of a possible paywall will scare off a lot of new subscribers, even if you also have a free version of your newsletter. By keeping your newsletter free, you attract any and all readers who want to see what you have to offer. Number 4. Offer high-value information in your Substack newsletter. This is an extremely obvious tip, but only publish high-value information in your Substack newsletter. Don't write about basic information or waste any of your readers' time. By offering valuable information, you'll find more readers will share your newsletter and your subscriber count will grow. Word of mouth is one of the best ways for readers to learn about new things. Offering valuable content to get readers to share your newsletter with others. Number 5. SEO, or Search Engine Optimization. A huge driving factor behind why so many creators like Substack is because it can be optimized for search engines. Google can find your Substack newsletter and bring subscribers organically. This works because Substack doesn't just send newsletters to your readers. It also posts the newsletter online in a blog format. You can customize each newsletter slug, headlines, and meta information to make it more attractive to search engines. Many creators generate a ton of subscribers to their Substack newsletter from search engine traffic. It's just like owning a blog, except you're getting subscribers instead. In conclusion, Substack is a wonderful newsletter provider. Make sure to take advantage of all the opportunities it provides to help get more subscribers. And there you have it, how to get more subscribers on Substack. I hope you find this video helpful. Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends, did you know that you can build high productivity teams with modern workforce analytics and tracking? Yes, just by using DoTeam, a time and productivity tracker that helps your team members deliver the best every day. Take your team to its full productivity levels with DoTeam. Build your success with teams that execute better. You can do employee monitoring, product and task tracking, detailed reports, and accurate timesheets. With Do Team, you get amazing features like time tracking, where you can track your employees' computer activity, website usage, and app usage with screenshots. Project and task tracking. Get to know the time spent on tasks. Responsible tracking and monitoring. Tracking is done with full disclosure to all stakeholders. And you have an amazing admin area with detailed reporting and analytics, and with 24 hours customer support. So what are you waiting for? Try Do Team now. Just go to getdoteam.in. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.